Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn Standard 6, Term 3, Science, Unit 4, Our Environment அப்படிங்கிற லெசன்ல இருந்து நம்ம புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? First one, choose the appropriate answer. First, identify the freshwater ecosystem. Answer D, all of them. Second one, producers are. Answer C, plants. Third one, it is a biodegradable waste. Answer B, coconut shell. Fourth one, it is an undesirable change that occurs in air and water. Answer C, pollution. Fifth one, usage of chemical pesticides and fertilizers cause pollution. Answer B, water pollution. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, primary consumers that eat plants are called herbivores. Second one, temperature, light and wind are physical factors. Third one, recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials. Fourth question, water pollution can spread waterborne diseases in man. Fifth one, 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. Third one, true or false? If false, give the correct statement. First one, the Pacific Ocean is an example of an marine system. Answer true. Second one, bacteria and fungi are called decomposers. Answer true. Third one, human and animals waste are examples of non-biodegradable waste. Answer false. Correct statement, human and animal waste are examples of biodegradable waste. Fourth one, excessive use of pesticides leads to air pollution. Answer false. Correct statement, excessive use of pesticides leads to water pollution and land pollution. Fifth one, in schools, waste management rules say that we should separate waste in two categories. Answer true. Next, fourth Roman, match the following. First one, biotic factor. Answer animals. Second one, savage. Answer water pollution. Third one, fertilizers. Answer land pollution. Fourth one, desert. Answer terrestrial ecosystem. Fifth one, smoke. Answer air pollution. Next, fifth Roman, arrange the following in a correct sequence and form a food chain. Question number first, rabbit, carrot, eagle, snake. Answer carrot, rabbit, snake, eagle. Second one, human, insect, algae, fish. Answer algae, insect, fish, human. Next, sixth, give very short answer. First question, define ecosystem. Answer, ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. Second question, what are the two types of ecosystem? Answer, natural ecosystem, artificial ecosystem. Third question, write any two things that can be recycled. Answer, using old cloths to make paper, melting some plastics to make floor mats, plastic boards and hose pipes. Fourth question, what are the types of pollution? Answer, air pollution, water pollution, land soil pollution, noise pollution. Fifth question, give one example of a food chain in an aquatic ecosystem. Answer, aquatic plant, aquatic insect, larva, fish. Sixth question, what are pollutants? Answer, any substance that cause pollution is known as a pollutant. Burning of fossil fuels, example oil, petrol, coal and natural gas. Sewage, industrial effluents, chemical pesticides and fertilizers, plastics and broken electronics. Seventh question, what are the pollution caused by the objects given below? Loudspeaker, plastics. Answer, loudspeaker, noise pollution, plastic, land pollution. Next Roman, seventh Roman, give short answer. First question, what is biodegradable waste? Answer, the term biodegradable is used for those things that can be easily decomposed by natural agents like water, oxygen, ultraviolet rays of the sun and microorganisms, etc. Biodegradable waste includes vegetable and fruit peels, leftover food and garden waste, grass leaves, weeds and twigs. Second question, how can we reduce water pollution? Answer, do not pour leftover oil, old medicines or waste down the drain or into the toilet. Reduce the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers to grow crops. Use wastewater for garden in home. Do not litter or dump waste. Always use a waste bin. Third question, write the importance of the food chain. Answer, learning food chain help us to understand the feeding relationship and interaction between organisms in any ecosystem. Understanding the food chain also help us to appreciate the energy flow and nutrient circulation in an ecosystem. Next, this is important because pollution impact the ecosystem. The food chain can be used to understand the movement of toxic substances and their impacts. Next, 8th Roman, answer in detail. First question, give 2 examples of how you can avoid or reduce waste. First answer, first avoid. Avoid the usage of unwanted materials which create more debris. Before you buy anything, think that, do I really need it? Example, avoid buying packed foods. Refuse to buy use and through plastic products. We can reduce the waste by using durable goods that last longer instead of things that are used once and thrown away. Example, write on both sides of paper. Instead of unnecessary printing, use electronic facilities. Share newspapers, magazines and other things with others. Second question, write a short note on noise pollution. Answer, pollution is caused by loud sounds. Loud music, the sounds of motor vehicles, fireworks and machines cause noise pollution which affects the environment. We all like a quiet and peaceful place since unpleasant or loud sounds disturb us. Continuous noise disturbs our sleep and does not let us study. It leads to stress and health impacts such as high blood pressure and hearing loss. Loud noise or music can damage our ears. It also disturbs animals. For example, in noisy areas, birds have to communicate louder so they can hear each other. Even underwater, noise pollution from ships can make whales lose their way as they use sounds to navigate. Next, 9th Roman, question based on higher order thinking skills. First question, what would happen if an organism is removed from the food chain? Answer, when an organism is removed from the food chain, there occurs a break in the transmission of energy. Some species do not get food and they become extinct. The other species which depend on them also become extinct. Thus, it leads to the death and annihilation of many plants and animals on earth. Next, second question, explain the link between waste and dangerous diseases like dengue and malaria. Answer, dengue and malaria fever are caused by the bite of mosquitoes. Second, accumulation of waste and stagnant water or uncovered containers of stored drinking water or the habitat for breeding mosquitoes. In order to control these infectious diseases, people should maintain clean environment free from mosquitoes. Next, 10th Roman, see the diagram and answer the following questions. டயக்ராம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. இந்த இதில் இருந்து நீங்கள் டூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இது என்ன டயக்ராம்? ஓப்பன் டம்ப். இதில் ஸ்மோக் அண்ட் டாக்ஸின்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் பர்னிங் கார்பேஜ் அண்ட் டாக்ஸின் லீச்சிங் இன்டு சாயில் அண்ட் வாட்டர். இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாவே தெரியும், இதில் வந்து என்ன இருக்குது, பர்னிங் கார்பேஜ் வந்து பர்னிங் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. இதுலேருந்து ஸ்மோக் டாக்ஸின் நச்சுத்தன்மையில் புகையெல்லாம் வெளியில் வந்துட்டுருக்கா. டாக்ஸின் லீச்சிங் சாயிலில் லீச் ஆகுது, அதோட இதெல்லாம் கழிவுகள்லாம் வாட்டர்லேயும் கலக்குது. ஓகே, இந்த இதிலேருந்து நம்மளுக்கு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. என்ன கொஸ்டின்? எக்ஸ்பிளைன் வாட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் இந்த பிக்சர். இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ்லேருந்து என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க? என்ன தெரியுது? த ஆன்சர், த அட்மாஸ்பியர் இஸ் பொல்யூட்டட் இன் திஸ் பிக்சர். இட் இஸ் டியூ டு த ஸ்மோக் arising from burning garbage. Land and water have been polluted because of leaching the toxic into the soil and water. Second question, what types of pollution are caused by open terms? Answer, என்னென்ன pollution இது ஓப்பன் டர்ம்ஸ்னால ஏற்படும்? The following types of pollution are caused by open terms: water pollution, land pollution, air pollution. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், எங்கள் வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா எங்கள் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.